5 steps to a better lawn and garden. A good topsoil base will make it easy to maintain a beautiful lawn. Many of us don't have the luxury of having a lawn with a great topsoil base. Besides, maintaining a beautiful garden and lawn requires hard work. 1. Cool and dry is the best time to mow your lawn. Wait until the morning dew has dried off before you start to feel the heat of the afternoon. You can also water in the evening or late afternoon after a morning watering. 2. A hedge is better than a fence as a boundary divider. A hedge will give you privacy and keep your children and pets safe. It will attract birds to the shelter and be a wonderful backdrop for plants. 3. Plant hyacinths next to walkways and doors to bring out the beauty of your garden. Your garden will come to life with their amazing fragrance, which will make spring seem like it is intoxicating. 4. Your garden can be added to other items such as mailboxes and lampposts. These items can be surrounded with flowers that were planted in order to get the best of both the oldest and the most recent flowerings. White snowdrops and blue hyacinths are all possible. To add interest, you could surround the posts with rocks. 5. Mowing your lawn regularly in spring is a simple but effective way to control weeds. By removing yellow blossoms, you can prevent dandelions from spreading and also prevent seed formation. In the late spring and early part of summer, mow high. This will allow the grass blades to shade and prevent crabgrass growth. Your garden and lawn should be an object of pride. There is no need to spend a lot of money on expensive fertilizers or herbicides. You don't have to buy fancy lawn furniture or ornaments. You can make your garden and lawn a better place with a little common sense and thought. Thanks for watching and check out the description for more information.